Choco chip cookie. The ingredients required are butter 56 grams, cashew sugar 92 grams, egg 1 number, honey 20 grams, flour 130 grams, salt 2 grams, baking powder 4 grams, chocolate chip 50 grams. First we'll start creaming the butter. This is unsalted butter again. Using the palm we'll soften it. Once the butter is nice and soft, slowly we'll start adding cashew sugar. Again we'll cream this till it is nice and soft. Now this mixture is creamed. We'll transfer it into a bowl using a scraper and a spatula. We'll break an egg in a bowl. Add little vanilla essence. Now we'll add the egg in the cream mixture slowly and mix it. Now we'll add all the honey. Now we'll add in all our flour, salt, baking powder. Now we'll use a spatula to combine all the flour in the cream mixture. Once all our flour starts combining, we'll slowly add our choco chips to it. And now, as you can see, the dough has been combined. We are going to refrigerate it in the refrigerator for next 15-20 minutes. Now our cookie dough has been rested after 15-20 minutes. We have removed it. Now we'll shape it into 25 grams of roundels. So just divide it into 25 grams. Just we'll make a small round out of it. Place it on a silicone mat in a baking tray. Now our choco chip cookie is ready to bake. So we have got 12 cookies out of it, which will be baking at 180 degrees for 20 to 25 minutes. They are nice golden brown in color. So now I am placing it into the oven. It's been 25 minutes. Now we'll see whether our choco chip cookies are ready. And yes, they are ready. Our choco chip cookies are ready. They have got nice golden brown color. We'll allow them to cool and then serve them in a platter. We'll add some icing sugar. Choco chip cookies are ready to serve with hot tea or coffee.